Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply a mask in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you need to do now is just to open your project. And basically you can do it like by going to File and then open your projects, or you can create a new project. So now we will be needing like to create masks for our uh, objects so we can like start masking some parts from the video or whatever. So from here we will be needing like just to click on either the objects that we would like. So for example, either the video or image. So from here we will find in this tab. So for images, you will find this in image, you will find the mask. And for the video, you will find mask here. So now I'm just going to this image, and basically you can just have a circle. Now you can either draw a circle and start masking the image. Otherwise, I will just like go back, and from here you can like have an AI mask, and it seems that it will need like to have some basically some premium version. And here I'm just going to start like drawing a mask on my apple. So I want only my apple to show without like uh, without having the background to show. And as you can see, now you will need just to click, and basically this is my mask that has been added to this footage. And we can also start keyframing this mask, so that means we want it to be appearing only in this one, for example here, and I don't want it to be showing from another time, etc., by like extend or by enabling it, etc. So as you can see, I have my mask here, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.